refrigerator. Wait a minute, refrigerators are down. Oh, hi, Miss Jenny here. But where is here? Well, let's find out. This structure dates back to the mid-1800s, and it is made out of limestone slabs that are covered in thick layers of soil. Inside this structure, they would store fruits and vegetables. So, where is Miss Jenny? Miss Jenny is at the Baker Family Root Cellar in Union, Kentucky. Can you remember 3 facts about the Baker Family Root Cellar? Let's see. When was this structure made? Did they make it in the mid-1800s or in the 800s? They made this structure in the mid-1800s. Let's see, what else? What is inside this structure? What did they put in there? Did they put marshmallows or fruits and vegetables? If you said fruits and vegetables, you're right. Finally, what is it made out of? Is it limestone or grass and hay? This structure is made out of limestone with layers of soil. Be sure to visit a unique structure made out of stone near you. Thanks for learning with me.